Shavasana is considered one of the most important poses in your entire yoga practice. Typically experienced at the very end of your practice, it's the ultimate lesson in relaxation, where you train your body and mind to go from 60 to 0 in seconds. This is the place where you completely let go, physically and mentally, so your body can digest all that you've done in your practice. This pose will relax your entire body and mind, while lowering your heart rate and blood pressure and reducing anxiety, stress, and fatigue. To get into this pose, just lie down on the floor with your arms and legs out long, your feet falling open, and your palms facing up. Take up as much space as you need and trust that the ground will completely support the weight of your body. Then close your eyes and feel your muscles soften as you breathe. Soon, you may feel so relaxed that you feel as if your body was melting through the mat beneath you. Take at least 1 minute in this pose to meditate, focusing on the sensation of your breath traveling in and out of your body. And each time a thought comes, and thoughts will come, just recognize it as a thought and let it go. Coming back to your breath every single time. Be mindful that you're not holding tension in your face, especially as thoughts come and go. Relax the muscles in your face, around your eyes, your mouth, and jaw, even your eyelids and tongue. When you relax these tiny muscles, then the big muscles in your body will follow. If this pose causes any amount of strain or ache in your lower back, then try placing a bolster under your knees for more low back support. You can even let your knees butterfly open slightly too. Just create the pose that you can completely relax into. To take this pose to a whole nother level of relaxation, cover your body with a blanket and place something like fabric or an eye pillow over your eyes. The English translation of the word Shavasana is corpse pose, and metaphorically, this is the place where your physical practice ends, and when you rise again, you are born anew, back into your daily life. To skip this pose would be robbing yourself of the most essential yin, grounding, and de-stressing aspect of your yoga practice. So take the time, even if it's only for a minute, to really practice Shavasana and truly let go.